Good morning, children. In the last class, 7th lesson revision we did that is atoms, molecules and chemical reactions. So matter around us, motion, laws of motion, refraction of a light at a curved surface. When I conducted the FA2 test, I felt the refraction of a light at a plane surface. You felt it is a difficult but so easy. Mirages, refraction examples, total internal reflection and total internal reflection examples. And what is a refraction? Bending of a light ray when it is from one medium to the other medium is said to be a refraction. It is said to be a refraction. So I feel that whatever the topics is most important I covered, and let me discuss about the question paper, children. The pattern of the question paper is same as your essay 1 only, but once let me recall. Essay 1 paper, it is of 40 marks, and 40 marks of physical science and 40 marks of biological science, and the same day you need to write. Paper 1, paper 2 will be there for science only. Same day you need to write morning hours and evening hours, and you have to, that afternoon sections you have to write that. It is a 40 marks paper. Section 1, it consists of 7 questions and each question carries 1 mark, that is of 7 marks. All they are the very short answers, very short answers. To answer that very short answers, you should have the deep concept about that. What is a refraction? Why atoms, solids will have the definite shape? What is a compressibility? What is pressure? What is compressible? Diffusion. Why diffusion takes, rate of diffusion is more in gases? Which equation is used for finding the relation between U, V and AS? Next, what is the Newton's third law? Examples of Newton's third law. When the light ray bend towards the normal. So all these such type of questions you will face in your first section. So first section is very short, and it is on based on the deep concept. Okay. Next, section second, answer the following questions. All the answers you have to answer. No choice is given in the first section and second section. There you need to attempt 6 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. 6 to the 12 marks. Each section carries 2 marks. 6 to the 12 marks. First section is of 7 marks and second section is of 2 marks. That is 2 marks each. That is of 12 marks. 7 plus 12, that is 19 marks. Here no choice, and mostly it is based on application of concept. You need to apply. Apply means use. How we will use the knowledge of the concept in this section. What are the uses, definitions, properties and reactions? All these type of questions you will face in second section, that is application of a concept. Okay. How many questions you need to attempt in second section? 6. And each question carries how many marks? 2 marks. Each question carries 2 marks is nothing but 6 to the 12. That is 12 marks, and first section is of 7 marks. 12 plus 7, total 19 marks. Now comes to the third category, that is section 3, long answers. Actually you will have the, in your essay 1 government paper you will have the choice. These are that. Options will be given. But here I am not giving any choice. Choice means I am giving 6 questions. Instead of 8 I am giving 6 questions. Actually I should give 8 questions, but I am giving only 6. From that you have to write any 4. 2 choices given to you, and all of this belongs to the experiments, activities, and related to the theories, reactions, and mostly comes under lab activities. There, don't behead all the activities as it is. Try to read the activities so that you can understand what materials they are using, what is their observation. Don't think the teacher will ask directly. I may ask the observation, I may ask materials required, what is the aim, result. Complete I will ask what is the result of this. So you should capable to give the answer when it is possible. If you understand the activity and go through that slowly, read that slowly, so that what materials are used. Okay. In section 3rd, you need to attempt 4 questions and each question carries 4 marks. 4 into 4, 16. For section 7, Second section 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 16, 35. 19 plus 16, 35. And 5 marks for the objective. 5 marks for objective. For 5 marks for objective, 4 section, I am giving all the blanks, fill in the blanks. 10 blanks you need to attempt. Each carries half mark. Each carries the half mark. And you know that how to read the blanks also, mostly units in physics, units, values, element symbols, formulas, all these are the important. Mostly I will stress on units only, its values, units, formula, symbols. This is the pattern of your essay 1 exam as equal to your government essay 1 papers only. No change in that, only one change, that section instead of giving internal choice, I gave the 2 questions as a choice. Internal choice will be given always, but I am giving only 2 as a choice. So this is your pattern, children. Prepare well, and the Monday onwards your exam starts. This is the last revision video. So I feel that no doubts, I traced on the chemical equations. The 4 chemical equations are important and matter around us. Activity, speed of diffusion among hydrochloric acid and ammonia, that is also important. Important. If I stress on that, don't stick to that questions only. I feel that is the most important. After seeing the question paper, teacher, you said these are the important. First beginning onwards, I am saying that related to that concept, this question is important. But all concepts you must read, children. Okay. Go through the 4th lesson. Refraction of a light at a plane surfaces. Mirages are important. Total internal reflection. What is a total internal reflection? Total internal reflection, nothing so easy to understand. What is that? When an angle of incident is greater than the critical angle, at that time, instead of reflected ray, instead of going to other medium, it reflects in the same medium. Such property is known as total internal reflection. In the total internal reflection, mirages is also example. Brilliance of a diamond. What is meant by brilliance? Brightness of a diamond. Why the diamond shines more, ma? Because its critical angle is less. What is the critical angle? At particular angle of incident, light ray instead of going to other medium grazes at the interface. Grazing means shines at the interface. Such phenomena is known as critical angle. Such phenomena is known as critical angle. So diamond have the less critical angle, due to that it shines more. It shines more. And optical fiber is one instrument now they are using in a medical purpose to check the intestine parts which are not able to seen with our naked eye. Even doctors also using that optical fiber. It is made up of a small tubes. They will send the small tubes inside our bulb, that is an endoscope only. So when we send the tube through a mouth or a nose into a stomach, one end is in a stomach, other end is connected to the system screen where all the internal organs are display. When by seeing that our internal organs, if we have any tumors or any problem in the intestine, they can identify. So in medical purpose, in communication, in telephones, optical fibers are used. Nowadays the fiber net. What is meant by fiber net? That is nothing but a optical fiber. They will send the message, they will send the wireless system with a small wires whose diameter is very less. So all these are the some applications from our day to day life about the total internal reflection. Okay. Mirages. What is a mirages? In Telugu we will say it is a endamavulu. What is the meaning of that? We will find a water like structure on the road during a hot summer, but when we go there we can't find the water. What is the reason? Because it undergoes a refraction. Due to change in the refractive index, the light ray suffers a picture or water like structure. It is said to be a mirages. So mirages are important. Total internal reflection, critical angle, Snell's law, refraction. What is a refraction? Light ray bends from one medium to other medium. When it travels from one medium to other medium, it bends its path. That is said to be a refraction. Generally we can see the examples of refraction in gold shops, jewelry shops and provision shops where a lemon is kept in a glass. When we see the lemon from the outside, it looks a bulge, it increased in its size, but when we go there and touch, it does not find there. Why? What is the reason? Where we are, I'm in air medium, it means light is passing from air medium to the water medium. Due to change in the medium, light ray bend its path. Due to that, it looks a little bit a bulge. That is the reason why lemon looks bulge in size. So all these are the examples. And next, third law, three equations are important. Sorry, third lesson, three equations are important. S is equals to ut plus of at square, v square minus u square is equals to 2as, and v is equals to u plus at. Based on this, I am going to give the problems also. Already I explained you, problems as well as the derivations are most important. Speed, distance, velocity, acceleration, uniform velocity, uniform acceleration. You cover the topics also. And matter around us, compressibility. What is the compressibility? Just you are jumping on the pillow. What happens? Automatically its volume is decreased or not? So when a pressure is applied, its area is decreased. Such property is known as a compressibility. Diffusion, spreading. Someone entered in a room, just they spread the spray or deodorant. They used a deodorant. Everyone will enjoy the smell. What is the reason? The spray, it enters into the air and it spread one place to the other place. Spreading of that particles from one place to other place is said to be a diffusion. And solids will have the definite shape. Liquids will have, does not have definite shape, but it takes the shape of container. And gases does not have a definite shape. The properties of solids, liquids, gases, compressibility, diffusion, day-to-day examples. All these topics are important. And the second law of motion. In the motion, we discussed problem sum about the speed, velocity, acceleration, uniform velocity, uniform acceleration. That also most important. Clear, children? So don't get tense. Prepare well. Enjoy the festival. And next day immediately hold your books and complete your revision. So 18th onwards your SS starts. So prepare according to the subjects. All the best, children. Thank you, ma.